Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you solve this math question? Many people can solve this question by this wrong method. First they do 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Then 3 times 5 gives us 15. And finally 15 divide 15 gives us 1. But this answer absolutely wrong because we didn't follow the order of operation where P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtraction. Remember that in multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. Same rule applies addition and subtraction. So here in this expression 15 divide 3, here is time and parenthesis means first we do parenthesis. So 15 divide 3 times, now 2 plus 3, here 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Now in this expression division and multiplication, we know that multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. So first we do division. 15 over 3 times 5. Now here we use table 3 and 3 cancels here 1 and here is 5. So final equation is 5 times 5 gives us 25. This is the right answer. If you enjoyed this video, then like and subscribe to the channel.